We got Johnny pulling crab snare duty. Eat to the strike. Not having any luck jigging for fish at the moment, so we're going to go back to the tried and true. That threw me off. The tried and true poke poling method. Guaranteed to catch fish. So I'm using this 10-foot rod, I believe it is. Only has an eye on the end. And we're just going to put a small, maybe a 2-inch leader. We just want it to be like that. We don't want much line on it. Just enough to let the bait kind of flop around and act a little more free. So there we go. Perfect. That's what I'm going for. So I'm going to use a little piece of squid here. Just a tentacle. That's all you need. Trying to put it on a way that makes it look natural. Like that. That's good. Now let's go put this in some rocks. Now we'll shove this in some rocks and see what we can find in here. See what we got. Oh, shit. Already caught me one of these kelp crabs. What was that, like 2 seconds? Go into a deeper little hole there. No one's home. No one's home. Or see an enemy or something. Oh, there was a strike of some sort. And there, we got something. Here we go. Little rockfish.
Little black or blue?
He looks like it, huh? He might be black and blue.
He's fucking around. Yeah, looks like blue. Those are hard to tell.
Got teeth?
No.
Yeah.
It's solid grass.
Yeah. You got a little bit.
Yeah, like sandpaper.
Yeah. It's a little spiky. Ah! That has teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, and it sprung. Ah, there we go. Yeah, just stabbed myself with the hook. Hi, little guy. Look at him. Pretty little guy. Yeah, it's a little blue. What do you think? Later, guy. Oh, okay. Yeah. He was black or blue. He was cute as all hell, though. And that is rock fishing, or poke poling for rockfish. Let's get some. We got a guy over here that caught a seagull.
I mean, how'd you throw the rag over its face so it doesn't bite?
I mean, you know how to do it. All right, we can go help this guy. Let's go help this guy. All right, so this guy caught a seagull and he looks like he's bewildered hardcore. My buddy Johnny here, he is, I wouldn't say an expert, but he has quite the experience with doing this, so I think we may go do that.
Yes. Hopefully they bring him in.
Well, I'm sure he's gonna bring him in. If we don't help him, he's just gonna probably cut his line and that bird's gonna go off and die.
Right.
If we help him, he'll probably get away. Oh. All right. Yeah. We're gonna go help the seagull. All right.
Yeah, I was trying to.
All right.
I looked away for a second, it was getting me in the wind. What the hell
All right. Rescue mission.
You can hold the head, so I can.
Yeah, it's a.
Thank you.
Yeah, here, I'll hold the fishing rod.
Can I?
Yeah.
That's the plan. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Careful, don't get hooked. I got the other one. Hey, don't move.
All right.
Don't get bit. Don't get bit. Thank you.
Be free.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Good luck.
I'll see you next time.
Yeah, we were thinking you had a big one. You had the wrong one. All right. Yeah, that went well. It wasn't actually hooked, it was just wrapped. Oh yeah, no problem. All right, back to fishing. We got one little blue rockfish and a freed seagull. Oh, I thought for sure Johnny was about to pull one. All right, let's do some more pulling.
I thought it was a halibut. Yeah, it was a halibird. She started laughing. She's like, yeah, halibird.
Oh shit. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Where did I pull that fish out of? It was on this side. That fish was out of one of these rocks. It was, I thought it was right here, but that's not deep enough. Is tide still going out? We out slack yet?
Might be at the end. What tide was? 12:30.
Yeah, I was a little bit after 12 somewhere, somehow. What time is it? All right, yeah, so we're probably right there. All right, let's see. Where you at, little fishy? Thing here down at the jetty on low tide is it's dangerous as all heck. You gotta have your wits about you in every dimension. Kind of poked everything there. Oh, there we go. It's a big seaweed infested hole. There we go. There we go. Yeah. There's a monkeyface prickleback. Oh, there was a monkeyface prickleback. Right back into his hole. Quick release. Too quick release. All right, I'm gonna grab the net. We're gonna try that hole we just caught that big eel in. Or a monkeyface prickleback. Let's see if we can get him again. I have my net this time. There we go. There it is. There's the hole. Now that it finally calmed down enough. Oh, here we go. Got it again. Oh, it got off. Again? Yeah, I think it was a smaller one though. It was definitely smaller. Oh, big hit. Oh, damn. big hit, but a no keep. I don't know if you heard that hit, that pole. My pole hit really hard. So I see another crack that looks like it may feed into the same hole. Let's see if that works. Sometimes you get them a little bit and they move around in their hole, it seems. So maybe moved out the back. Deal. All right, coming down with the net just in case we're keeping it. Keeper or no? It's definitely a keeper. Use some Monkeyface Prickleback.
The fish, not me.
And then there's Johnny.
And then there's this fish.
there's this fish. Oh shit.
Let me see your heels, please. Oh, never mind. Quick release.
Nice. Got that quick release style right there. Put them in the bucket, and then we'll decide. We can always let them go. These guys can live out of water for a very long time, but we're gonna put them in some water, so it won't really matter. They're very hardy. That's why I like collecting these ones too as you go, because if you decide that, you know, you catch something else that you don't want to eat these, you can always just let them go and they're good to go. There we go. Here. Oh, it's a little baby. He's gonna grow up to be a mean kelp eating machine.
He's digging his spines in my back.
He has spines?
Back spines into my
I've never been poked by one.
Well, he thinks I'm a rock.
Oh, he's on. Hold on. Need the tools of disengagement. Oh, you got him. Oh, good shot. That was amazingly good shot. He could have hit a rock at any moment, but he made it. Throwing eels in holes. Catch up, but keep Johnny behind me here. We're tied. Wait a minute. I only caught one. I only caught one fish, didn't I? Yeah. He's beating me.
No, you cut the black and then you cut the eel a couple times.
Yeah, but he got off. So I guess, yeah. I didn't touch his slimy ass. Which is a good thing. Oh. Wow, that's the crack I was hitting. Interesting. Yeah, so that's the crack that I pulled my big one out of. Oh. I don't know. I don't know what was going on right there. It might have been a crab. It was a slow, steady pull. All right, I'm gonna go back in that hole that I got pulled on here and see what I can pull out of it. Oh! Okay. It's exactly the same thing. I think it's a crab. Whatever it is, it's slowly releasing. I got something. I think it's a little eel. I'm just keeping my pressure and I'm not really, and it's slowly working its way out. What would you say that is? Eel? Yeah. All right. Oh, there was a tug. Oh, it broke my line. My line broke.
Could be a crab or
Darn it, that was a good one. And it's where I pulled my monster out of here. My PB. Alright. Time to reload. Alright, so we kind of fished out this whole little cove that we were, a little peninsula we were fishing in. So we're gonna move down the jetty some more. Try not to fall. And make our way. We're not sure if we're going to the end or going where, but we'll figure it out when we get there. It's like a 6-foot drop, 7-foot drop. Let's see. Yeah, 7-foot drop. Let's see. Let's see what's in there. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of water. Hey, are you taking a piss over there? No. I don't know, man. I almost broke my pole. I think I might have. No? Dude, I stuck this in there, man, and like a 5-foot wave just came and hit the shore. Like to right here. Oh, there it is again. It's too much current. There's a lot of current though. I don't know. What do they say? You're hoping I was gonna tell you? Fuck. All right, we're gonna try to fish this spot right here. Right here.
a lot of current, maybe a lot of ocean, looking in the ocean, right?
I guess so. Back to poke bowling. Never turn your back on the ocean. You gotta remember that rule. Never turn your back on the ocean, because it will take advantage of you in so many dark alleys. I almost got roofied. All right. You know, I just said it to myself too. I was like, don't turn your back on the ocean. All right, I moved to the other side. Got most of my gear over here, or all my gear over here. Johnny's on the other side with bait still. So if I need to get bait, I need to go back over there. But it's way more calm on this side. I think I'm better luck. There's a crab. There's a rock crab. Probably legal size rock crab. They only got to be 4 inches. I don't want them though. It's like a 3-inch rock crab. Yeah. Good buddy. Cool, you didn't steal my bait. Rock crab need to be 4-inch. Oh, there's a big one. There's actually a keeper right there. Let's see. Ah, it's not big. It's like, it's just legal. I don't want them though. I don't really care for them. They're not that good. But I'm gonna chuck them out of my hole so I can catch them. Oh, what you got? Damn, that's a big cat. Touching all the perimeters of the hole. Letting my bait bounce around in there. And you want to move up and down slowly on the walls too, because there could be a little cliff or a little undercut or where another rock's stacked that they're hiding in, and maybe it's not all the way at the bottom of the hole. You really want to feel around in the holes when you're poke poling. Johnny got a fish on. Oh, that's a nice little rockfish. Wow, that's a good one. What kind is that one? I don't remember seeing so much yellow before. Is that a brown? Oh.
Black and yellow, no. Gopher, maybe?
Maybe a gopher, yeah, that looks like it, could be. You gonna keep them?
That's a good one.
That is a good one.
Got some fucking weight to it.
I'll keep them if you don't. So bite was dead for a while, but we back in business. Fish were on a break. The fish were on lunch. I was just sticking this down this deep ass hole, and here we go.
That's like a grassy.
The grass?
Grass mushroom.
Damn, those gill spikes look dangerous.
That's relative to the brown cow.
Oh man, I'm not getting him out without a tool. He needs a tool. There you go, bro. Oh shit!
Get him.
Come on, current. No, it's too small. There he goes. Oh, that was an awesome little takeoff. I just got a hit right there. That was pretty cool. Not sure what it was, but it grabbed the bait and pulled on it. It didn't feel like a crab, it felt like a fish. Oh, there we go. Whoa, Buster! No, net! I got a fucking monster eel! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, shit. You need to do it twice the size net, man. Alright, I may not keep the guy, but maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Alright. Bring him in. Oh, it's a pregnant, huh? Wow, they have teeth? I never knew they had teeth.
This one does.
Oh shit. Holy shit, holy shit. Oh, I don't want to get puked on by this guy. He's gonna start puking everywhere. So these guys start throwing their fucking lunch as soon as I'm on a slippery rock. Hell bad. You too. Oh god. Wow, and this pole is fighting me in the air. Alright. Here we go. Let's see if you can help me with that, buddy. There we go. Holy shit. That was all monster. Wow, I had no idea they had teeth. Like a lot of teeth. I'm barbless, so it should be.
I can't tell which way the hook's going.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Straight up into its face. Oh, and then he fucking death rolled. Yo, bro, we trying to help you. Don't I get the real pliers? Holy crap. This thing, the wind's fighting me and I can't put it in. Oh man, that thing hit hard. Wow, we hit so hard. You think it's pregnant or something? See how big its little belly is?
I have no idea.
If it is, I don't want to fuck with it. I want to let it go.
Or just hella full.
Yeah. Shit, man. Dude, it was the first push. That big hole there. Wow. Thank you, Johnny, with the rescue. Wow, this thing weighs like fucking 5 pounds. Holy crap. Alright, I don't even know what to do. This guy's definitely worth the meat. Wow. There's my PB freaking Monkeyface Prickleback. Wow, that was awesome. Whew. Poke pulling, baby. All right. Well, the beauty about these is you can just put them in the bucket and make your decision later. All right. He's gonna harass that fish.
You want some?
He's gonna fight that fish. He went in released peacefully. Cool. Wow.
That was good.
That's a monster.
Yes, sir.
All right. That was awesome. Let's do it again. I still want a big ling though, a little green ling. I want that color change of meat. This is why I don't like to touch these bastards. Look at this slime. My net won't even separate. It's so gooed up from the slime from that damn thing. Yeah, good luck trying to grab one of those with your hands, especially one that big. That's a slimy mess for sure. All right. Guess I'm gonna try to clean this off real quick. Try to. Johnny just caught a nice little cabbie. I think he's barely a foot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to measure him though anyway?
Sure, why not?
I think it's right on top here. He's leaking.
The pooper. Look at that.
Oh wow. Oh, is it a worm? Oh, is he full of parasites? He is. Look at him.
Yeah, crawling around.
All over him, like coming out of his skin and shit. 12 inches. He's a parasitic dude. This is a nice cabbie though. Man, are they full of parasites?
Lings in these.
Oh, really?
They usually have, you see what he must.
Ling cods?
It's crazy. You can see his prime parts in the back of his mouth.
Oh, you can see him rubbing. Wow, cool.
It's not shellfish, bro. You don't need to do all that.
Is it attached to his gill plate? Gill fin? Oh, hold him up for me. Cool. We can never do two hand. Here, I'll